Good afternoon. My name's Jamie and I work for the National Weather Service office in Chicago. It's 4 p.m. on December 31st, and here's an update on the ongoing snow, the lake effect snow we're expecting Wednesday night and Thursday, and then the Arctic cold blasts expected Thursday night. So first, if you're north of I-80, it should be snowing outside right now, and areas north of I-80 are going to get the most snow out of this system. We're looking at generically 4 to 8 inches of snow, but snow should fall eventually across the entire warning area. So for timing, it'll be snow from now through New Year's Day. As the roads become covered with snow, they'll probably become slick and a little bit dangerous to travel on. And we're also looking at reduced visibilities, especially under the heavier bands of snow. Then after this is done, lake effect snow sets up Wednesday night into Thursday. Primary areas look like Lake and Cook County in Illinois and then Lake County, Indiana. And locally, 6 or more inches of snow are possible under that lake effect snow band. Once again, travel will be the main impact from the snow. Then Thursday night, Arctic cold air moves in across the area with ambient temperatures of 5 above 0 to 15 below 0 expected. And with wind chills, we're looking at 5 below to 30 below 0. So with that cold of temperatures, frostbite and hypothermia are definitely possible. Here are the headlines currently in effect. There's a winter weather advisory across northern Illinois and northwest Indiana, and that has been extended to go through 6 p.m. on Wednesday. And then highlighted in the blue, there's a lake effect snow watch that begins late Wednesday night for Lake in Cook County, Illinois, and Lake County, Indiana. Here's the latest radar at 3:45 p.m. You can see, like I said, north of I-80, snow is falling, with the green areas being heavier returns, and this snow band actually extends all the way back into Minnesota. So here's how we're thinking it's going to play out. Through 6 p.m. this afternoon, the heavier snow, which is highlighted in the pink, and that would be rates up to half an inch per hour, will fall across northern Illinois and Chicago metro area, and then lighter snow with lesser rates will fall south of that, roughly along or just north of the I-80 corridor, and then no snow is really expected south of that area. From 6 p.m. to midnight tonight, heavier snow once again in pink will be across basically north of I-80, covering the Rockford and Chicago metro areas. Then a sharp cutoff south of that where no snow is expected in the Pontiac or Watseka area. Then snow should lighten up a bit, if not maybe a brief break in snow between midnight and 6 a.m., as you can see across the area. Then another band of forcing comes through at 6 a.m. to noon, so the morning of New Year's Day, with the heavier snow once again in pink, so that would cover the Rockford and northern Chicago metro area, with light snow falling across the southern Chicago metro area and then the rest of the county warning area. From noon to 6 p.m., that band of heavier snow highlighted in the pink sinks south, and rates there would be about half to 3/4 of an inch per hour, still spanning the Chicago metro area, but now south of Rockford and extending all the way through Joliet and Ottawa. Then as the band continues to shift south at weekends, and light snow is expected from 6 p.m. to midnight across the area, and then snow will taper off. So when all is said and done, so this is snowfall from now through New Year's Day evening, so that would be 6 p.m. tomorrow. We're looking at across the Chicago metro area, 6 to 8 inches of snow along the I-80 corridor, 4 to 6 inches of snow, and that also up near Rockford. Then farther south from Pontiac to Watseka, about 2 to 4 inches of snow, and over far southern parts of our county area, or our warning area, we got 1 to 2 inches of snow. Then our attention turns to the lake effect snow possible late Wednesday night into Thursday. Once again, the pink is the heavier snowfall, which would be somewhere closer to the lake. Where exactly this band will set up is still highly uncertain. Each model run shows a different area, if it's going to be over Lake County, Illinois, or Cook County, Illinois, or just offshore. But they're all pretty consistent. It should start over the Illinois side, or the lake effect snow band should be close to the Illinois shore, and then eventually shift over to northwest Indiana during the day on Thursday. With that band, we are expecting snowfall rates could be as high as 1 to 2 inches per hour, and it should be very localized, like I mentioned before, with 6 or more inches of snow expected. Stay tuned for details on that. Then Thursday night, bitterly cold air moves in. Wind chills over northern Illinois will probably be below 20 degrees below zero. Then from Chicago metro all the way through Pontiac and Ottawa, between -20 and -10. And then over the eastern and southeastern portion of our area, -10 to 0. So basically wind chills below 0 Thursday night. Just to recap here, the ongoing snowstorm, we're expecting 40 inches of snow north of I-80 with lighter snow totals south of I-80. That snow will go through tonight and through New Year's Day. Travel will probably become treacherous, so please be careful out there. Then Wednesday night and the Thursday, lake effect snow squalls are possible, mainly across Lake and Cook County in Illinois, and then Lake County, Indiana. And then Thursday night, much colder air moves in, wind chills below 0 across the area, with frostbite and hypothermia being possible. Once again, it's 4 p.m. on December 31st. My name's Jamie, and I want to thank you for viewing this briefing about the snow, more snow, and then the Arctic blast. Please stay tuned to future updates, as things will definitely change with that lake effect snow especially. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and our website, as always, is www.weather.gov/Chicago. Thank you and Happy New Year.